Welcome to wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is, find the area of the shaded gray portion of the two concentric circles whose chord outside the small circle is 16 centimeter. Here we have to find the area of the shaded gray portion. We have given the two circles. The area of the outer circle is given by pi r square, as capital R is the radius of that circle, and the area of the inner circle is pi into small r, its square. Therefore, area of shaded region is given by difference between the area of the outer circle and the area of the inner circle. There is difference between two. So, area of the shaded region is given by A equals to pi into capital R square minus small r square. As this radius is perpendicular to the tangent, it makes right angle triangle there. So by Pythagoras theorem, r square equals to small r square plus, as this chord is 16 centimeter, so here it will be 16 by 2, its square. So capital R square minus small r square equals to 16 by 2, its square means 8 square. So r square minus r square is 64. Hence, after substituting this value r square minus small r square, we get area equals to pi into 64. That is 64 pi. Hence, area of shaded region is 64 pi. And from available options, we have option C as 64 pi,